Hello, my students. How are you? Fine. Today we are going to start with the grammar. Okay, we have page 66. This grammar talk about indefinite pronouns as subject and indefinite pronouns as complements. We'd like to see what's meant by indefinite pronouns. Okay, let us try to see. For example, indefinite pronouns يعني احنا بنسميها ضمائر النكرة أو الغير معرفة. Yes, we use indefinite pronouns when we don't speak about definite person or things. يعني بنكون احنا بنستخدم الضمائر النكرة when we don't speak about the definite person. Definite person يعني شخص بكون مش معروف، شخص معروف، ما بدنا نحكي عن انه اسم الشخص نذكر اسمه او اسم الاشي، فبكون عنا نكرة. Okay, now I'm going to give you examples to see how we can practice it. For example, when I say I saw Ali, on the field. Yes. Okay. Now, if I ask you question, whom did you see? Yes, this is a question. Whom did you see? أنت مين شفت؟ هذا question. Okay, you are going to answer me I saw علي. طبعا علي here it is definite معروف، خلاص ذكرنا اسمه, so it will be as a definite person. But when I say I saw someone on the field. Look, I saw someone. مين هذا someone؟ Okay, يعني نحكي إنه هون شخص ما. هون أصبح عنا indefinite يعني مبهم، مش عارفين مين هو هذا الشخص، أحمد، محمد، علي, we don't know. Okay, so in this sentence we use what? We use someone. Okay, now here we have, for example, there is a particular group of indefinite pronouns. طبعا عنا انه حيكون في عنا group حينقسم عنا two parts. We'd like to talk about group number 1 اللي هو عنا for person يعني حيكون عنا للأشخاص. Like for example when I say everyone or everybody. Everyone or everybody. What's the meaning of everyone or everybody? يعني كل واحد أو كل شخص. Okay, now let us try to see how we can make sentence. For example, everyone should buy his school books. Okay, look at this one. Everyone here we use should يعني كل واحد لازم يشتري الكتب في المدرسة. Clear? Yes. هنيجي about, for example, to talk about some, we have another thing, some, one, or somebody. Now when I say someone or somebody, we meant by this يعني شخص ما. Okay, شخص ما. Let us try to have sentence. For example, we can say that someone is in the garden. Someone. مين هو someone? We don't know. Okay? Yes. Now number 3, we are going to come back to group number 3 and the anyone and anybody. Anyone or anybody, anyone can buy a ticket at the gate. Okay, at the gate. Okay, now we'd like to complete group number 4. We have no one. Yes, for example, no one, or we say that nobody. No one, nobody, we say that ولا شخص. Okay, no one or nobody ولا. Okay, for example, we can say that nobody is sleeping in my bed. In my bed. Okay, as you can see طبعا these indefinite pronouns we use it for person, everyone, everybody, someone or somebody, anyone, anybody, no one and nobody. Now we are going to come back to group 2. Yes, group 2, yes, talk about things. Talk about things. Things حكينا اللي هم للأشياء. For example, we can say that, yes, number 1, everything. Everything. Let us try to have sentence. For example, we can say that I bought everything at the mall. Okay, yes. Now we have, for example, 2. Everything, we say that كل شيء, يعني كل شيء اشتريته from the mall. 2, for example, we have something. وsomething يعني شيء ما. Okay, something شيء ما. We can say that she, yes, for example, she saw something in the garden. Okay, now we have number 3, which is anything, you see. We can say that, is there anything to eat? Is there anything to eat? This we can answer, yes, there, for example, there is something to eat. Number 4, we'd like to have nothing. And nothing, we can say that there, for example, there is nothing in the fridge. Okay, this is about the group of indefinite pronouns, as we said, one for person, the other for things, everything or something or anything or nothing. anything يعني أي شيء و nothing ولا شيء. Okay, this is about these indefinite pronouns. Okay, about this exercise indefinite pronouns, we are going to have it in the exam as it is written in your books. If we have it unscrambled, or to put the correct indefinite pronoun in the correct place. Okay. Now let us try to see that in your class book first. Okay, please write this in your notebook. Okay, and this one, please write it in your notebook. Okay, now we are going to do the exercises that we have it on page 66. Yes, here is the first exercise. Read and replace the highlighted word with a new word. You know that. This exercise, for example, everybody cheered when Hannah made a goal. We are going to replace everyone to put, for example, someone. So it will be someone. You see, someone cheered when Hannah made a goal. Number two, for example, some. Yes, instead of someone, we are going to put somebody cheered when Hannah made a goal. Or number three, we say that no one cheered when Hannah made a goal. Did you see anyone at practice? We are going to change anyone and to put instead of it anybody. Did you see anybody at practice? Yes. Did you see something at practice? Number three, did you see everybody at practice? Okay. Now exercise C. Yes, exercise C. Read and write sentence or questions. طبعا sentences or questions depending on the end of the sentence. If we have a question mark, we are going to make a question full stop to make sentence. Number one, for example, we have some. Yes, someone. Cafe. We say that we saw someone at the cafe. Here we have everyone and we have plane and full stop. So we are going to start by saying everyone was on the plane. Clear? Yes. Number three, for example, we have anyone and we have house. So at the end we have a question mark. So we say that was. Yes, anyone at the house. Yes, then we have question mark. Yes, now number four, we say that we have someone and we have at the cafe. Yes, question mark. We say that is. Yes, someone at the cafe and we have question mark. Okay. Okay, now we have exercise B, page 68. Okay, use the correct indefinite pronoun to ask and answer the question depending on the meaning of the sentence. As we said, we have for person and we have for things. We are going to decide according to the meaning of the sentence. For example, number one, did you see anything from the hot air balloon? A hot air balloon. Yes, we use anything. Yes, I saw something. Now we have number two. For example, we say that will come to the store today. Come يعني يجي. معناته شو بده يكون عندي هون? Every. For example, body. Will everybody come to the store today? We say that no, yes, no, no one. No, no one will come. We're closed. Number 3, yes, does have a pencil. I could use have a pencil. So anyone. Does anyone have a pencil? I could use. Yes, someone. شخص ما has one. Number 4, can please help me carry these boxes. help يساعدني معناته بدي شخص يساعدني. Okay, so we say that can someone please help me to carry these boxes. Of course, yes, will help. Everyone will help. Is there in the fridge to eat? طبعا الفريج, this is think. So we say that is there any think, yes, in the fridge to eat. No, there's to eat, but we can go to the store. Yes, we said no think. Yes, to eat. Please check your answer. Okay, now we have exercise E, page 69. Make sentences from the parts given. For example, we have no answer everyone. The sentence, it will be everyone knows the answer, because everyone يعني he is singular, so we use with the verb is. Now we have somebody marry C. So we are going to write the sentence by saying, for example, yes, to start with, yes, marry, yes, verb and see, and marry is singular, so we say that sees somebody. Number 3, Steve, no, who is a doctor? Someone. Now we are going to start, yes, Stephen, sorry. Yes, الverb عنا, yes, no, it will be knows. Yes, someone. Yes, who is a doctor. The last sentence, everybody love rainbow. Yes, we are going to start with every. Yes, body. Everybody, yes, love, it will be loves rainbow. Yes. Okay. Yes, that's all about. Okay, now we'd like to open our books, workbook, exercise C, page 64. Okay. We are going to start with the first exercise. Yes, exercise C. Make indefinite pronouns by putting the word parts together. You can use the words more than once. Here, as you can see, we have the parts that we talk about it at the beginning of our lesson. For example, we can say that everyone. We are going to write here, for example, everyone. Yes, then to say everybody, and here we can say that everything. Okay, now number 2, any. Again, we are going to say like this, anyone, and then anybody. Number 3, anything. Okay, now what about no? Yes, no one, nobody, nothing. Okay, no one, nobody, nothing. And some, we can say someone, somebody, something. Okay, like this. someone, somebody, something. Please write it in your book. The next exercise, exercise D, read and write sentences or questions. As we said, depending on the end of the sentence, if we have a question mark or we have it full stop. For example, we have this one, no one, yes, and we have library, yes. We are going to start with no one, yes. No one, yes, was in the, yes, library. Yes, number 2, somebody room. Yes, again, we can say that. Yes, very good. Someone is in the room. Okay. Yes, number 3, we say that everybody park. So we can say that everybody wants to go to the park. Okay. Number 4, we have a question mark. Anyone at the door. Is anyone at the door? Okay. Is anyone at the door? Okay, now exercise E. Use the correct indefinite pronouns to ask and answer the questions. As we said, we are going to use one of the indefinite pronouns. Can please help me. وحكينا help يعني ساعدني معناتها حيكون عندنا person. So we say that can someone or somebody. Yes, please help me carry these boxes. Sure. Will help. Yes, someone will help. 2. Is ready for the hot air balloon ride. Yes. So we say that is everyone ready for the hot air balloon ride. No, there's who ready. Yes, there is someone who ready. Next, will visit me today. Yes, question mark. We say that will no one visit me today. Yes, is coming over. Yes, somebody is coming over. As we said, it depends on the meaning of the sentence. Did you ride in the carnival? We say that did you ride everything in the carnival? Yes, I rode everything. Okay, that's all about this exercise. Okay, now exercise H, page 48. Okay, unscramble the sentence. Notebook, someone did take my. And here we have question mark. We are going to start with did. Yes, did someone. Yes, someone. Did someone take my. Yes, notebook, question mark. Yes, number 2, car you driving, seen anyone have the question mark. We are going to start with have you seen anyone? Have you seen anyone driving the car? Question mark. Number 3, front, somebody, our door, there is behind. We are going to start with, yes, there is somebody behind our front door. Number 4, the nothing fridge to eat is in there. We can say that there is nothing in the fridge to eat. Okay? Now exercise I. Make sentence from the parts given. Add the indefinite pronoun in the place of the IP. IP اللي هي بيعني فيها indefinite yes pronoun. Here for example number 1 معطيني IP loves hot air balloons. You are going to change it to put someone, to put no one, anything like this. But it should be suited to this sentence. For example number 1 we have love بحب معناته حيكون عندنا yes every yes we can say that everyone yes and to complete loves hot and to complete the sentence air balloons. Yes, okay. Number 2 I know IP who can help you. So we are going to say that I know yes I know who can help. Help حيكون عندنا person. I know yes someone yes who can help you okay. Yes, number 3 we have IP should learn to read. So we say that yes everybody should learn to read. Yes, number 4 معطيني IP might come tomorrow. So we can say that yes somebody might come tomorrow. Okay. The last exercise for today, circle the correct pronoun that goes with the indefinite pronoun. Listen. For example, someone lost their ولا his backpack. طبعا someone حكينا إنها singular, so we are going to put circle around this pronoun اللي هو عندنا his. Okay. Can anyone give me their ولا his textbook? Yes. Anyone? Yes, singular. So we say that his. Did everyone do their or his homework? Yes, we say that singular his. No one brought his gym clothes. So we say that his. See like this. Okay, please check your answer in your workbook. Yes, it's okay. Thank you very much for your listening. Please write these things in your box and send it for me. Okay, thank you very much.